A lot of people think that precision manufacturing is just about parts, but it's so much more than that.
It's really about solving problems and transferring a customer's needs into something that is real and tangible.
It's about playing a small role in something much bigger. It's about seeing the big picture and understanding that we are all part of a larger ecosystem.
And that greatness is the sum of many smaller parts.
We started out specializing in EDM as a small shop in 1968. We supplied and continue to supply the leading aerospace companies and government agencies. Along the way, we asked ourselves, how else can we help our customers?
Today, we provide precision machine components, rubber products, mechanical assemblies, and EDM services to the industry's leading aerospace companies.
For 50 years, Micro-Tronics has been a leader in precision manufacturing. We have a broad range of capabilities and a reputation for impeccable work.
Commercial aerospace, defense, medical, and industrial. You'll find us in spaces where there's zero margin of error.
CNC wire, sinker, and fast hole EDM, multi-axis CNC machining, cloth-reinforced diaphragms, rubber-to-metal bonded seals, gaskets, and solid rubber shapes.
Sophisticated, multi-level mechanical assembly and sub-assemblies, we do it all.
Our products are manufactured following the highest aerospace standards right here in the USA. We're NADCAP and ISO certified, ensuring the highest level of integrity in our process and quality system. We adhere to advanced planning and quality performance models and are diligent in our practice of risk avoidance. We rigorously test and validate, ensuring quality and consistency across every product we make.
We take the hard stuff. We love to troubleshoot and problem solve. Our customers come to us with their most challenging, nearly impossible projects.
Our cross-functional team of engineers, manufacturing and quality experts are trusted partners in the process. Our customers view us as an extension of their team and rely on us to deliver perfection.
Recently, we invested heavily into a company-wide ERP system, providing our team with powerful insights and data for real-time operational decision-making. Using this data, we are able to instantly prioritize our production environment to accommodate the ever-changing and fast-paced nature of our customers' needs without ever skipping a beat.
It's not just a company. This is a team whose passion and expertise set them apart.
Adaptability, precision, quality. It's in our DNA.
We're a family company, and we've invested heavily into developing and retaining talent, ensuring that our team takes pride in their craftsmanship.
We embrace new technology, bringing new capabilities and efficiencies to our customers.
It's the little things that make such a big difference.
It's our attention to detail.
Partnering with our customers, delivering on time, and never sacrificing quality.
Our customers expect the very best.
The very best.
And that's what we deliver.